Hello and welcome back to our series on Microsoft 365 Business. In this video, we are going to be talking about how you can easily secure your Windows 10 devices in a Microsoft 365 environment. So here we are in the Microsoft 365 Admin Center, and at the top of this main home screen, I want to bring your attention once again to this setup wizard. Now, as you can see, if this is the first time you're joining us, we've already completed some steps. First is merely just setting up or personalizing your sign-in information by verifying DNS records in order to use a custom domain. The next step is simply adding users and then assigning licenses to those users. These are pretty straightforward, so we kind of moved past those. Right now, we're up to protecting our data and devices. So in order to go right back to where we left off, I'm going to hit continue. This should bring us right to the Set Windows 10 Device Configuration screen, which it sure did. So as you can see, by default, Secure Windows 10 Devices is toggled on. But let's take a look at exactly what that means. So first thing I want to bring to your attention is this toggle at the top. This actually helps to ensure that new devices that actually have connected to your network, that it makes sure that they have Windows Defender enabled in order to protect against, obviously, viruses, but also just malicious code. In addition, you can also turn on security, added security from Microsoft Edge. And down at the bottom here, you can actually set it up so that the screen's device will turn off after the device is idle for a certain amount of time. As you can see, it's variable. Now, some customers that we talk to are still concerned about their virtual assistant, about it sharing data. Now, keep in mind, Cortana certainly doesn't do this, but if an administrator wants, you can go ahead and disable Cortana simply by clicking this toggle right here. If you want to keep it, you just simply toggle it back on. However, let's say that you decide that you want to manage exactly what apps that can be installed for employees. You can actually toggle this off right here, which will not allow employees to download from the Microsoft Store any longer. You can actually disable or enable tips and advertisements from Microsoft as well. This is one that I know a lot of customers often turn off. You can also determine right here, you can determine whether Windows Update will actually manage and automatically install updates, or if you would like to manage when and what those updates are and push them out to your organization, right here is where you turn that off as well. Finally, with this toggle just down here, you can actually automatically have Office 365 apps installed on Windows 10 devices by simply clicking this toggle here. And it's as simple as that.